teacher's teacher, Kevin. It is John David Sumiyong.
Good day, everyone. My name is John David Sumeod. I am 9 years old. I am a student of teacher Kevin. Today, we're going to play three pieces: My Maggie Manical, Dance, and I Can Drum from the All-in-One Piano Lesson Book 2. I hope you enjoy.
Wow, John David, that was a beautiful performance. I love it so confident. You were very good. Wow. Did you see that? He actually performed three songs of different styles. And he was very flexible. Iba yung type na song na second na he performed sa una, iba yung rhythm, iba yung beat, right? So that just shows that this training actually enhances a child's flexibility. At kailangan nila yon as they grew up. At marami pa tayong nakukuha dito. Maraming nakukuha yung mga kids. Like they develop their self-confidence. Saan nabibili? May nabibili bang self-confidence sa SM? Buy one, take one, self-confidence. Voila. You only get that by experiences such as this. And courage. Courage is like a muscle. If you don't practice it, if you don't use it, you lose it. Right? So eto na ang training ground nyo na lumaki, that you grow as courageous, confident, right? People, right? So you grow up being confident and courageous because you had such, such rigorous training here. So my piano tutor, right? And let us continue with the next performer.